In this question, it is given that let a function f takes r to r be defined as fx equal to this thing, where box x is the greatest integer less than or equal to x. If f is continuous on r, then if f is continuous on r, then a plus b is equal to, you have to find the correct choice. First, note this point that if x is not an integer, box minus x is equal to minus box x minus 1. Without using this formula also we can do it, but using this formula will make our solution slightly easier. And if x is an integer, in that case, that is, this is the formula if x belong to I, and this is the formula if x does not belong to I. These are useful formulas. And here, because x is lying between 0 and 1, it means x is not an integer. Hence, our question will become slightly easier if we write it a minus box x minus 1 if x lies between 0 and 1. That is, instead of this, I will be using this thing. And now let us start. Because the function is continuous on R and it must be continuous at 0 also. At all other real values of x, it is clearly a continuous function, because sin x is continuous function, e to power x is continuous function. This whole is clearly continuous for all x. That is, for x less than equal to 0 also it is continuous. For x greater than equal to 1, it is also again continuous, because being a polynomial function. And between 0 and 1, it is a continuous function, because box x becomes discontinuous at only integral points. Hence, chances of discontinuity are at 0 and 1 only. Therefore, we'll find the value of a and b such that the function becomes continuous at 0 and 1 both. Clearly, limit x tends to 0 minus fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 minus sin x minus e to power x, that is minus 1, and limit x tends to 0 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 0 plus. Using this, we get a minus box x minus 1, that is, I get a minus 1. And value of function f0 is also clearly minus 1. From here it is clear. Therefore, the function will become continuous at 0 if a minus 1 is equal to minus 1, that is a equal to 0. And I want the function to be continuous at 1 also. Hence, limit x tends to 1 minus a minus box x minus 1 becomes a minus 1, and limit x tends to 1 plus fx is limit x tends to 1 plus 2x minus b, that is 2 minus b. And f1 is also clearly 2 minus b. Therefore, the function will be continuous if all the three are equal. But a is already found to be 0. Therefore, I get 2 minus b equal to minus 1, that is b is equal to 3. Hence we conclude that a plus b is equal to 0 plus 3 equal to 3. Therefore, B becomes the correct choice.